and the world's community as well.
The President and myself had a very useful and productive exchange of views relating to security, peace, and counter-terrorism in our regions. I am very satisfied with the outcome of my discussion with President Obama.
How much more confident are you with President Trump leading this country that there will be peace through strength and you will have a successful partnership with the United States, Biden's incompetence and weakness over the last 4 years?
That's your question, but I'll answer it.